The year was 1864. Events took place in the American West that would change the world of Navajos. Navajos call it the fearing time. Navajos saw soldiers and settlers coming to the Southwest. Conflict led to one of the most tragic yet triumphant chapters in American history.
It's still very difficult for us to talk about these stories.
The aftermath shook their identity.
Anytime you say one word of Navajo or something, they'll shave a bar of soap and they put it in your mouth and they tell you to wash it out.